Hi Jerry fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be just creating this nice, simple, soft, everyday makeup look because I realized that's what you guys wanted to see and your wish is my command. So here I am. Trust me, this is a makeup look for teenage girls, mid-20 girls, office girls, anywhere, for any kind, any person. If you just don't know what to do, how to do, what is makeup, if you want to do something, trust me, this is the makeup look right here. And if I don't talk to you guys and if I just want to do this, I can do this within 5 minutes. Forget me, I feel even you can do this makeup look within 5 minutes. It's simple, juicy, yet fresh and yet not very overwhelming to you. You just want something like this on an everyday basis. Go to makeup look, this can be for you. Let's get into the video. Now, always the first step to any makeup look, and I'm gonna say it 1000 times, but I'm still gonna say it, is hydration. Just using my same old Hyphen barrier care cream, just applying it all over my face. You can also use your sunscreen if you're stepping out. So I'm at home, so I'm gonna skip my sunscreen. Second step is to add some illuminator. I'm just using my Color by Illuminator. I do have another alternative, that is Lakme Lumi cream, so you can see whatever works out for you. And I'm just gonna apply it on my face. Can you see how it just adds that extra juiciness, glossiness to your face, that pinky tint to it, and that's exactly what we want. I'm just gonna take my Swiss Beauty concealer in 02 Sand Sable and put it underneath my eye over here, because I've got a little bit of breakout situation going on. I'm keeping it very minimal, everyday stuff. I'm just going to use this another shade from Swiss Beauty concealer and just add tiny dots, nothing fancy, just very tiny dots. Did you see that? Here now I'm just blending out my concealer using this blender brush from Sugar. Another recommendation would be my PAC concealer brush. That's also very good. And one mistake I did right now is I forgot to apply primer. Sin is committed, but we cannot do anything about it. We can just ignore it, but you don't ignore. Primer is from Inside Cosmetic. The Swiss Beauty concealer is such a lightweight formulation that concealer blends like a dream. And this brush from Sugar Cosmetic, you guys, you need to get this brush. It's an amazing concealer blending brush. I've done a makeup tutorial on concealer, so you can check out my previous video. It is there on my channel, just in case if you want to know how I do my concealer, to use a concealer, so you can check out that video. Here comes my favorite part, blush. I'm gonna mix 2 shades of blush. You can also do it. Don't think what the world will say. No, we are going to do what we like to do. So I'm gonna mix my Swiss Beauty cream blush, my Makeup Revolution the Balm, and this is the Swiss Beauty's newly launched cream blush. I love this blush. The pigmentation is also very good. When you apply it upon foundation or something, it just budges off. It doesn't really stay, and that's what I don't like about this blush. But today, since I'm not going to do foundation and it's only blush, so I thought I'll just use it. So I'm gonna take first my Makeup Revolution the balm. I'm gonna apply it everywhere. कंजूस मत होना, ब्लश लगाने के टाइम लगा देना. Trust me, it's a very good thing. Putting my blush where I want it to be, which is right here. Trust me guys, just get your hands on this Makeup Revolution the Balm blush. It retailed for around 600 to 700 bucks, but I think it's worth your money because see that instant shine. I really don't know what my camera is picking up right now, but I can see that very nice dewy shine on my face. And blush is something which will instantly add back so much of youthfulness, so much of color on your face, and on everyday basis you need that flush of color. You cannot be super pale. And now I'm gonna take Swiss Beauty blush. I'm just going to take it on my brush itself like this and just focus on apples of my cheek, because now that's where I want that pink nice shine. And can you see how it just added so much of bright poppy shine and color on my cheeks, and that's what I truly like. And I go all crazy with my blush, so truly you can also do the same. Anywhere, any generation can wear this makeup look. It's literally that simple, and it's literally the most basic products and the least amount of products which we are. After this step, I'll just bronze up a little bit. You can again skip this part, but if you're someone who just likes to add a little bit of more warmth on your face, you can. Not a lot of color. So dusting off everything very well and placing my bronzer, the area where I usually bronze, which is right about my cheekbones, and just mixing it a little bit with my blush. That sun-kissed warm effect, and everything has just been blended really well. Like, you cannot figure out where my blush starts, where my bronzer starts. It's just everything so nicely mashed. I'm gonna take the same and just, bronze my nose like this. Let me know how many of you are college going. Let me, tell you some story. Like, during my college days, I remember I used to save up my pocket money, and Nykaa was very newly launched that time. So I used to save up my pocket money, and then, in one shot, I used to order my stuff from Nykaa. And there were not even so many brands on Nykaa which are available like right now. Ask me if I would go to college and if I had to put some makeup on, this is truly exactly what I would have done. But what I used to do in college, obviously I never did makeup every day. To apply my lip balms. Back then I did not even have a lipstick. I used to just use the Maybelline lip balm, and that lip balm used to go on my cheeks, on my eyelid at times, just like at times when I wanted like makeup vibes going on my face. And that's what I used to do. Take the same bronzer, see, I'm using the same brush, and just apply it on my eyes. Again, you really don't need fancy tools and stuff for a separate eyeshadow palette or anything. Just use what you have, and this is what I am doing, and this is what I have done in the past many a times. When I don't know what to do, just apply bronzer, because it will just mix and match with your natural eyelid shade. You can apply your blush as well. Anything which has color, just apply it on your lids as well, and you're really good to go. So I'm just gonna use my Faces Canada compact powder. Maybelline is another good option. Trust me, during my college days, I had that Maybelline Super Stay, I don't know, some white compact powder they had launched that time, and that's the only compact powder I had, and I feel I've used it like for years. I don't think they still produce that powder, but anyway, that was the powder I used to use, the compact powder. But today we have tons of options. I have it just in case, and just dab it underneath my eye like this, and it just does the work. So that my concealer is set in its place and it won't budge or crease. It's time to add some highlighter. Trust me guys, highlighter is something which I've been using since day one. Ever since I found out highlighters exist, I have not stopped using them. And if you know my channel, it's Jari fam. What does Jari mean? Glow, shine, sparkle, highlight. So you'll never find me without highlighters, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So in Super Dewy Liquid Highlighter from Makeup Revolution, you can just follow the lead and just apply this highlighter like this, blending it out really well. This leaves such a nice glow on your face, and liquid highlighters always blend with your fingers. You really don't need a lot of fancy stuff. So just adding back some more shine and glossiness on our face. After college, you just have some random party plans or an office where you're just going out for dinner, don't know exactly what to do, just use any such liquid highlighters and you'll see, just like this, apply it, see how much of shine and just that dewiness it will add back. I love nice shiny eyelids, that's what I really love. Let's move on to our eyebrows. And on such everyday on the go makeup looks, don't use a brow pencil, just invest in any of these brow tints. This one is from Essence, spoken a lot about it. Just take that tint and just apply it like this on your brows, just like fill in the gaps and just apply where you need a little bit of definition, color, and you're really good to go. Can you see that? It still looks so natural and so nice. By the way, I love using this Essence Make Me Brow tint. It's amazing, it's fabulous. It will add so much of color. Part of the video, that is lipsticks. Now I have tons of options. If you see, lipstick is the most essential thing. I feel even if you don't do anything on your face, but a lipstick and a blush will work. And you don't need a separate blush, by the way. You can use your lipstick only as your blush. Trust me, this is what I've done 100 and thousands and millions of times, and I do it still date, and I will continue doing it. So these are my few options from Milani. Obviously, this is the best pink nude I've ever come across. Watch this on my Instagram, so check out all the swatches of these lipsticks on my Instagram. Color Chemistry crayons in blue, again a very nice pink nude shade. I have Edge from Fair Beauty if I just want not nude shade but just some shade on my lips, and this is it. And for night, as I said, if you have sudden plans and just want to go out at night, then this would be one of the shade which I would go to. It's Lover from Maybelline. And there is one more color from K Beauty. This is in the shade Cameo. It's a very nice night red brick sort of a color. But yeah, it's lipstick. It's really your own personal choice. So you can use whatever you want. Trust me. Line my lips. In one swipe and I go all crazy for this lipstick. It's fabulous. Like, these are the lipsticks and the formulas which make me want lipsticks more and more. And then I'll just do this DLT from Indie Wild. It's their DLT Dewy Lip Treatment Lip Balm. I'll just take it and look at that. Look at that instant juiciness, glossiness on my lips. This is what I really like my lips to look like. So if you're a matte person, you can leave it, but if you're not, if you're a glossy person, you can do this step. Yes guys, this is the final makeup look. This is my version of everyday on the go makeup look for Indian skin or for Indian people. I hope you really liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel, and I will continue seeing you. Until then, bye, take care.